nice shot. That's not bad. Away from me. Oh, dude, why is the videos that I take the least amount of effort to make, like, always the most cool? I mean, I guess. What's the bucket? Oh, yeah. If you told me, Mason, you'd be doing this 2 years from now when you built this kit, like this is probably the most epic this thing's ever looked. Also, I'm so happy with this location, dude. Oh, yeah. This looks sick, dude. I'm like, this went from this is a dumb, stupid idea to this is a brilliantly dumb idea. Okay. I just want to get that shot. Okay. Yeah, I still want something to rest it on. So, oh, there. These are nice jeans though. What's the problem? It's all gross. It's gross. Oh, I can't even lift that up. Not with one hand. I can do it. Oh, bucket. It might be too tall. Use that piece of wood. Ooh, I can sit on the piece of wood. Where'd this come off of?
Too many questions.
It's a nice piece of wood. Okay. Get. Alright. It's a little too. Never mind. I'd be stupid. It's still a bit low. But it's fine. Okay. This way. Dude. Okay, I want to get that solid, like, angle. Shiny burning finger.
Here I go! This hand of mine is burning red. Its loud roar tells me to grasp victory. Erupting, burning finger!
What do you want me to sprint?
Away from me.
Okay.
Oh.
Alright. So like,
Just a little bit.
there we go. How about that? That's awesome. That's actually straight sick. Alright, let's douse it now.
No, we keep it burning. Oh, so that's his hand burning there.
Yeah, it's his hand. But it's kind of cool though, because it's like...
Oh,
shoot.
so I shake him around now.
Shake him around.
I'm not sure Gunpla kits were... They intended you to do this. Oh shoot, I'm on fire now.
You're on fire?
No, I got it on me.
Oh, okay. You can just dip your hand in the water.
What we can do for this is we can use the BG brake clean to shoot it at it, and it might engulf it.
Okay.
So we'll do that then. Okay. They're just getting more and more crazy. Final test. Oh my gosh.
Final test!
Okay, like, legit, if this doesn't work out, we got some cool shots.